Teacher Man the Fish Channel here. Thanks for coming back. Today's cook is going to be Campfire goulash, beef goulash. As far as recipes go, a goulash is anything you want to put into it, but I will show you what I put into mine. This will be in a cast iron Dutch oven in the Campfire. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, real quick, we'll show you here the camping setup. We've got the Dutch oven, cast iron Dutch oven, and show you here, this is my travel cooking set. There was a chef that helped me set this up, so nodded a stormy cromer to you there, Fabi. It's a nice way to travel with all your spices. It's an old machinist box, but contained in all these drawers are all the utensils and virtually all of the spices that I could ever need, want, and travels all within one convenient little box like this. Alright, the list of spices is pretty long for this. If you look at the description in the video, it'll give you the full rundown on all the spices that I have in this, but I've gone ahead and put everything into one so it's ready to throw in when I'm ready for the spices. So for right now, let's get the coals going for the Dutch oven. While we're waiting to get the coals going, we'll go ahead and get the vegetables cut up and ready to go in with everything else. Time to get the oven going. This nifty holder, again homemade, there's another video on that. In with the ground beef, onions, peppers, and garlic. Truth be told, it's getting kind of rainy looking out here, so I want to speed this along. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the campfire to get this browned and the onions and vegetables cooked up. A little bit hotter over there. We'll go down one more notch on this. We need two, we can go up one. If you haven't seen one of these pits before, they're pretty awesome. They sell them at Tractor Supply. Yeah, now it'll get rocking and rolling, which is what we need for this burger. Now get all that good flavor in there and don't have to dump any of it out. So that's green peppers, red onions, and garlic. That was 3 pounds of burger, by the way. Usually I use venison or deer meat, but I am running low. Hunting season's right around the corner, so I'll get the freezer restocked. Please feel free, if you enjoy cooking with venison, come back for some good venison recipes. We're going to cover that up and let that simmer for a while. All right, we're getting down to the final light. Unfortunately, we have not actually had any rain, and we are down to the final ingredients. And it is looking and smelling really good. Well, there we go. End of the day. The cook is done. Taste test is underway. What do you think, bud?
It's really good.
Thank you for watching Teach a Man to Fish channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, subscribe, come back, and there will be more. Thank you for watching. Teach a Mr. Fit. Teach a Mr. Fish. Thank you for watching Teach a Man to Fish channel.